another video class. Welcome to this amazing science experiments of Fridays, and today it's going to be very easy but very fun. We're going to be playing with colors, and if we can, we're going to make a beautiful galaxy, like all mixtures of colors and shapes, and I will show you. So for this experiment we need milk. We're going to use only a little bit, so if you have like a cup or 2 cups of milk, it's okay. We're going to use this food coloring. We're going to use the scissors to open the box of milk, and we're going to use these 2 cotton tips. So first step, we're going to open this. Okay, here we go. And we're going to put the milk, some of the milk, in a bowl. This is glass, and you can see through it, so I can see the colors. So we're going to put some milk. You don't need too much, just 1 or 2 centimeters. So, can you see it? It's not too much. No. If you want, you can put some more. It's fine. Now, I'm going to take the food coloring. I'm going to open one, and I'm going to put some drops. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think 5 is okay. So after we're done with blue, we go to the other color. The other color is yellow, and I'm going to put 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we go to the third and last color. If you have more at home, it's fine. You can put as many as you want. I'm going to take the red, and I'm going to put 5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to take the camera, and I'm going to put it on top of the milk, so you can see what happens. Okay, so here we have the milk and the food coloring, and you're going to say, but Miss Fran, how is this a science experiment? Well, this is my secret. So here I have a bottle of dish soap, and I'm going to put some in the top of the Q-tip. See? Can you see me doing it? Oh no, spoiler alert. So the dish soap does not mix with the milk. So as soon as it touches the milk, look what's happening. Woohoo! That's why we needed a Q-tip. So if we put some more, oopsies, we put some more, it's going to react even more. I told you. I mean, if these were a little bit black, maybe we could find good food coloring. We could have made the stars in the universe. But we have blue, red, and yellow, and this is the final product of the experiment. So try it at home if you can, and send me all your videos and pictures, and let's see if it works for you too. So have fun!